since we've been installing rooftop solar systems, the question that we get asked is, how long is it going to take for me to pay this thing off? When can I expect a return on investment? It's a great question. It's a big investment, and usually here in Pennsylvania, it's taking 12 to 14 years to get that break-even point. And then after that, you're looking at, an additional 15 to 18 years of lifetime. Solar panels are lasting for 30 plus years right now. So if you consider the fact that at half-life you have it all paid off, the rest of that, you keep the cash instead of sending it to your utility. So it's a solid investment. That does depend a little bit, or it varies somewhat depending on where you are. In Pennsylvania, there's no state incentive for solar installation like there is in Maryland and some other states. So you might even get a better return on investment depending on which state you're in. There is across the board a 30% federal tax credit, which is available in all states, and that 30% is off of the entire installation cost of the system. So you've got a tax bill at the end of the year, you installed solar this year, you can reduce your tax bill by 30% of that installation cost. Now that tax credit on the federal level is something that's going away. In 2019, it'll continue at 30%, but then in 2020, it's going to be reduced to 26%, and in 2021, it'll be reduced further to 22%. They're saying after that, they're going to shut it off, re-legislate, figure things out again. So now is a great time to jump in. It's still a hot solar market no matter where you're at, great return on investment, and now's the time to do it while the federal tax incentive is still at its highest.